Hello, my name is Rupandas. I'm a student of Masai School in Software Development Branch. Currently, I'm in revision unit. So today in my assignment, I need to explain about ReactMemo and UseMemo. So we use ReactMemo so that we can stop the re-rendering of any component which are inside any parent component. So if in that child component, if there is nothing is changing, no process is changing, then we can just use ReactMemo to like stop that rendering. So if something needed, it will be given from the cache that which is stored already. So let's take an example and see. So let's create one parent.jsx and another child.jsx component. I have created two component. So in parent component, let's create the component. Parent component. Let's create a count. So use. So let's take a button. Just increase the count. Previous. So next, let's create the child component. Here, let's take one reference user to check the rendering. So here to print content. Let's import the child component here. So we can see that whenever let's import that parent. So we can see that, okay. This also. So you can see that here, if I click on parent, the child is also rendering, and whenever this code is running, so there is we are changing the state for, so that because of we are changing the state, so the child component is also re-rendered. Because of that, we can see that child component is also running. So for that, but I don't want to re-render the child component. Then what I'll do, I'll just go to the child component and I use ReactMemo. React. Now, if I see, so if I click, my count is increasing, but the child component is not re-rendering. That's why it's not increasing. So this is the this is the ReactMemo. By using that, we will stop re-rendering of any component, child component inside the parent, if the props are not changed. So this is the ReactMemo. So next, I'll go to use memo. So, UseMemo we use to when we use UseMemo, then we just want, suppose this component, I don't want to re-enter every time because this component is very expensive component, and there nothing is changing. Just one value is giving again and again. Whenever we render this parent component, automatically because the state is changing, so automatically this component will also change. So so we can use UseMemo to optimize our value, so that uh, uh, if we use UseMemo like this, then what it will do, like it will memorize our value in that total, and it will whenever we try to render this component, it will go here and it will see that there is nothing is changing, so it will return the value which is already cached, and it will return the value, and we will get our value, and the without re-rendering that child component. So this is used for UseMemo. Thank you.